Hi, this is from Sose University. There's a job opening for the technology database administrator. The company Anthology Inc. The location is Bangalore. The salary will be 3 lakh to 6 lakh. The roles and responsibilities are deploying new database system and analytical service, including design, layout, configuration, and monitoring existing database system and availability, performance, and scalability. And required skills are 2 to 3 years of experience administrating all aspects of SQL Server database, including installing, configuration, deployment, and general administration of the database engine, creating the maintaining and database object, and logical and physical. And the second technology is lead one cloud infrastructure services for the USGT digital. The location is Bangalore. The troubleshooting of based on availability information from previous tickets or consulting with seniors, participants in online knowledge forum conference, and convert the new steps of KB article and perform logical and analytical troubleshoots. And the third technology is data engineering for the Nineleaps company. The location is Bangalore. The job description are 3 to 6 years of experience in data engineering, experience in big data distributed ecosystem like Hadoop, Hive, and excellent knowledge of SQL, PostgreSQL, and optimization, complex aggregation, and performance tuning. And the fourth technology is data engineering. The company IBM, the location is Bangalore. The responsibilities are developing, maintaining, and managing advanced reporting, analytical dashboards, and other BI solutions, performance and documenting data analysis and data validation, and data mapping and designing. And minimum 4+ years of experience in Tableau report development, experience in building complex reports, optimizing, testing, and deploying them, working knowledge in Unix and GB query. And the fifth technology is data engineering for the company NatWest Group. The location is Bangalore. Hands-on experience with AWS cloud platform, strong knowledge of DevOps with exposure of Terraform, experience of ETL technical design, including data quality testing, cleansing and monitoring, and data warehouse and data modeling capabilities. The links will be given in the video description, so you can upload it directly. Please subscribe to the Sose University channel for the more job details. Thank you.